Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue pie using an easy method. First, begin with a pre-baked pie crust, which saves a lot of time. Next, carefully separate 3 to 4 egg whites, making sure no yolk gets into the whites. It's crucial that your mixing bowl and beaters are perfectly clean and dry for the best results. Now let's create that beautiful meringue. Beat your egg whites on medium speed until soft peaks begin to form. Then, slowly add about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar per egg white, a little at a time. Keep beating until the meringue is stiff, glossy, and holds its shape perfectly like a cloud. With your meringue ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Pour your warm, prepared pie filling into the cooled, pre-baked crust. Immediately spoon the meringue over the hot filling, spreading it all the way to the edges of the crust. Make sure the meringue touches the crust completely to prevent it from shrinking back during baking. Finally, bake your meringue pie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color on the meringue, with slightly crisp peaks. Once baked, let the pie cool completely at room temperature for several hours before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade meringue pie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.